Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Lacey and this is my art channel. Today we're going to be doing another Create This Book video, but this time we are going to be doing Create This Book 3. So I have Create This Book 1, 2, and 3. I've gone back and forth with myself wondering if I should complete Create This Book 1, then move on to 2, and then eventually 3. But because, in my opinion, Create This Book is fairly popular right now, I think that I would be doing myself a disservice by waiting. Plus, I watched way too many videos on other people doing Create This Book, and that made me really want to do it, so I guess I just needed an excuse to do it. For those who don't know, Create This Book is an art prompt book created by a YouTuber named Moriah. I've been sharing my Create This Book 1 videos on here for quite some time now. If you haven't seen any of those and you want to, I'll just put them in the iCards above. Anyway, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. This video is somewhat shorter today, and that's because I'm trying something new. I know that I said somewhat recently in a different video that I was going to stop saying when I expect the next video to be uploaded, because that puts a lot of pressure on me. And if you've been here for a while, then you may know that I have another job. I'm an online art teacher, and that takes up a good majority of my time. I'm also trying to start my own small business, and that takes a lot of time as well. But I do want to upload more often. That's always a goal of mine. It's hard to get a balance, but I'm just trying a new mindset, I guess you could say. I want to try and set a certain amount of days during the week for filming and then a certain amount for editing. Might not work, or I may need to tweak it a bit, but that's okay. We're just going to try this mindset and see how it goes. In the past, I usually have more of a mindset of I need to get a certain amount of content done before I post the video, for example 3 pages of Create This Book. But instead of doing that, I'm just going to film for as many days as I have, so that way I can kind of go faster. So anyway, we're going to try this and see how it goes. For this new Create This Book, I decided to do a simple design for the front and just do pastel colors. I used my Posca markers because I thought that would be the easiest due to the cover being kind of an odd texture. It worked fairly well, and I just had to go over the black lines with a Sharpie toward the end, and then I ended up sealing it with Sparkle Mod Podge. It worked really well. Then on the inside of the cover, I decided to continue the pastel colors and do cute food doodles. I just wanted to do something that was fun and felt natural. The colors dried a lot darker than they did on the cover, and actually in the footage I feel like it's even darker than it is in real life, but I think you can kind of get a feel of how it turned out. I know this is a fairly short video, but hopefully it won't be too long until a new video comes out. Again, I don't really want to put a deadline on my video posting, but hopefully I will see all of you soon. I have a lot of fun ideas for the new year, and I hope you like them as well. Let me know what you would like to see in the comments below. I always love hearing from you and chatting with you in the comments, and let me know if you have a Create This book and which one you're working on. And I did upload these pages to Spark. Spark is an app that Moriah Elizabeth created, so if you have the Spark app, you can follow me on there. My username is LacyMayArt. Okay, so I'm going to end here for now, and I look forward to seeing all of you next time. Goodbye now.